Hey guys, it's Kalia and today I have a cheap lash hack. I'm going to be using COLORMATES lashes in the style 53003 and I'm also going to be using MAC color eyelash in the style 027. And you're just going to need a spoolie to feather out the lashes. So I'm going to start with the COLORMATES lashes. These are dollar lashes. And I'm just going to use the spoolie to feather out the lashes to brush through the lashes so that the lashes can loosen up and give it a more feathered look. So I did brush through the lashes for about a minute and a half, checking every 30 seconds, and this is how they are looking. That's a side profile of how curly the lashes look, and now I'm just going to continue to feather out the lashes even more until they are how I want them to be. And this is the final result. As you can see, the side that I used the spoolie on is more wispy and realistic looking. Now I'm going to go into the MAC color eyelash 027. I did receive these lashes with a wig that I purchased. And now I'm just going to go in with the spoolie once again. I did do it also for about a minute and a half. And I learned that it's easier if you just use the spoolie on the edges of the lash and not so much on the entire lash, because it helps it to feather out a bit faster than if you go from the top of the lash. So just fluff out the bottom parts of the lash and you will see results faster. As you see right now, it's already looking much more wispy than it did before. And I'm just going to continue until I achieve the result that I like. And this is how the lashes are looking. That's a side view to see the difference of how this lash looks versus how it looked before. And as you can see, it's much more wispy and much more realistic looking, human-like. And this is how they both look side by side. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.